obsessed with this blanket. This blanket scarf. Oh. Do you see how this butter is shaped? My breakfast is ready. It is a little late in the day, so I'm not going to be able to have a quote-unquote mindful breakfast. I'm going to have to go through my calendar for the day. I'll show you what I need to do. I have a meeting at this afternoon with my accountant, and I need to go over my spreadsheet. He's a new accountant that I've been working with, and he's amazing. Last year was our first year together. This is going to be our second year together, and I really need to understand his spreadsheet. I am not a small business owner that likes to just leave everything to my accountant and so on and so forth. I've always liked to be in the know. I've just always been that way. I think that it's important as a business owner, especially when it comes to your finances, that you know what's going on. My accountant's phenomenal, but I like to know what's happening. You know what I mean? Because mistakes can happen. Things can be overlooked. Oftentimes, it's us giving them the information or the data. So, I got to have a meeting with him and just understand how I submit things. Very important. Then I need to work on some content. And now that I'm back on YouTube after 11 years, funny, like, this whole... I've been wanting to do this since last year, since 2024. And I kept trying to find the email and password for this account. Could not find it. Randomly the other day, I'm bed with John, and I'm like, what is the username and password for this account? Like, I cannot remember. Sure enough, he's like, try this email. Tried it. It worked. I'm like, wow. Back then, it was good. It was new. I just didn't, I don't know. I was at a different place in my life. But now, I'm very much ready to see what this YouTube thing can do, you know? Like, I have a lot to share, especially as a businesswoman, as someone who's, you know, lived life and has some life experience. I feel like I can offer something to this platform. So that's the mindset that I'm going into it with. And I'm excited to see where it goes. So let's see. There are some really great YouTubers that I love to watch that have really inspired this point for me, like Peyton Charles, Allyiahs Face. I like Queen Naja and Clarence. Yeah, I'm getting really inspired by how they do their videos and how thoughtful and mindful they are, the angles, the equipment, and the reason why I ended up buying the DJI Pocket 3. This is a phenomenal camera. I will do an unboxing of it because I did record that, so I need to put that up as well. But if you're a content creator, whether it's for Instagram, YouTube, or any platform, you need this camera because the way that the orientation of the screen works is that you can flip it. So right now I have it horizontal because I'm recording for YouTube, but you can also, in the beginning of the video, you'll see that it's a vertical video, and that's for the orientation of TikTok, Instagram, so on and so forth, even LinkedIn. So I think that this is a phenomenal investment because when you're doing any type of content creation, especially when you're a small business or medium-sized or any type of business or any type of content creator in general, you want to make sure that your equipment is top notch. So I'll leave a link below. I will definitely get that unboxing to you guys as well. This is a little bit of my morning breakfast routine, what I eat to get my day started, and some of my supplements. So stay tuned, leave a comment, let me know how your girl's doing, but be nice, okay? We listen and we don't judge. So I will see you soon. This is where we're at. Is this? This is it. It's not cute. It's not cute. But it's warm. And that's all I care about. Do you see the jungle? This is the whole situation. Your girl's out. She's out of the house. I'm wearing this scarf. Listen, don't hate on my blanket scarf, okay? There are moments when I care. Listen, she's wearing cute shades. I put on my lip liner, my lipstick. But today is one of those days that I do not care. Why? Ask me why. Because it is -5 outside. Is my microphone attached to my blanket scarf? Yes, it is. Is it hard for me to see my side vision? Because, ooh, see, that's what I'm talking about. Cars be passing me, and I have my blanket scarf on. Hard to see, hard to see. Am I freezing? No, my blanket scarf is good. This coat is very warm, even though it doesn't look like it. I'm actually impressed. It's by Babaton, by Allyiahs brand, and it's actually very, very good for walking in this -5-degree weather when I should be in Miami, low-key, should be in Miami. Who do I blame? My husband. I'm doing their 1:30 class, and I'll keep you guys posted. I'm gonna see if I can get some content without disrupting the other classmates. I made it. The workout was actually really good. Maddie was teaching the class today, and her holds are long, but her workouts are always phenomenal. So I always feel like I was able to get a good workout in, which is the goal of going to Lagree, or any workout for that matter. I'm obsessed with this blanket scarf. Oh! And now I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna have a quick lunch. I had a late class today. It was 1:30, so I'm having a late lunch. And then I got some work to do. I have to go through YouTube videos from really respected YouTubers. I'll actually insert one lady that I've been following, and her content is just, it's so generous. The information and the details and the tips and tricks that she's used to build her channel and that she's sharing with the rest of us. So definitely going to implement some of her ideas in it. So if you guys have any great YouTubers or Instagrammers or whatever social media content creators that you follow that have really helped you with your reach and building your audience. I mean, I know that it also starts with us and like the content that we create and the energy that we put into it. But I'm also like, you know, I don't know. I'm trying not to focus on numbers and counts and all that stuff, but I'm pretty sure as anyone who's ever started on this social media journey knows, it can be extremely difficult not to make that a focus or mildly a focus. So that is what I'm doing today. And yeah, let's see how the rest of the day goes, and I'll check in with you guys once I get inside and get set up. And I'll start to also show you the YouTubers that I follow that have been so great. So I'll share it along. So I'm home from the gym. I'm gonna have some soup. Delicious fennel soup. I added those little pasta balls, carrots, some potatoes. What else? Chicken, roasted chicken. I seasoned it up really good, and it is delicious. I'm watching this amazing woman who is Vanessa Lau, and this is the woman that I was talking about that I've been following, that's been helping me edit my videos and really get the back end. Let me press pause on this for a second. The back end of my Instagram, I'm sorry, my YouTube videos. So these are 18 key things to do after uploading a YouTube video. And I will be sure to link this video. I think I can link other people's videos. I'm sure I can. Anyways, so I'm gonna do that, and then I am working on Final Cut. I thought Final Cut was going to be really intimidating, but it's actually not, and I'm enjoying working with it. And this is like a little get ready skincare video with me that's already going to be live before you see this one. So that's what I'm working on now, keeping me inspired and letting me know that with the right implementation and like the right tools, that this YouTube journey is not going to be as scary as one may think. This woman is the GOAT. Okay, she is phenomenal and so generous. That's why she's so successful. Like, I hope that she continues to be successful, because the amount of information I got in like 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So number one, she was talking about like packaging and like the importance of like thumbnails and titles, which I've heard before, but I've actually been seeing it, because when my video thumbnails are catchy, or I'm like, like what's going on? Like they're not just like boring or like thrown together. And there's like a title on there. Those are the shorts that are doing well right now. I haven't posted any long form videos yet, so I will see. Then also she said that after you do your thumbnails and your videos, then she starts working on her keywords, and she takes her script, like her video script, like what she's saying, and she writes it in depth, all that good stuff, and then she copies it to an AI platform like ChatGPT and asks for like keywords, and then takes those keywords, uses them as tags, but then also asks Chat to like incorporate those keywords in the description. Brilliant. Like so brilliant. And then also she's talking about how you could have presets, which I have already set up. So basically what that means is like if you have like affiliate links or your Amazon storefront, your LTK store, your social media handles, so on and so forth, what you can do is you can write that out the way that you want it with emojis and all that cute stuff. And then you can set it up in your settings where every time you post, they're there. So you don't have to like go back in and like constantly copy and paste that section into your description. So yeah, like the keys are being dropped.